Welcome back to Transport Fever 2. How are we looking at this idyllic scene? Well, it's because somehow we got some weird situation where the trains are all stopped and they are backlogged on our network. Yeah, I just noticed that. So let's just jump right into the action. And let's see what is going on. Have a warning here? No, we don't. So this train here, where do you want to go? You want to go back out here. Why are you not allowed to do that? Well, you should be allowed to do that, but he's trying to full load, I think. Yeah, he's trying to full load and they are not allowed to deliver, I suppose. Well, this one also wants to pick up steel. I see. Alright, two people want to pick up steel. That's, of course, a bit of an issue. So let's say to this guy then that he should get the hell out of here. Having one loading platform, I guess, makes generally sense. Huh. We have one for pickup and two for... That doesn't make sense. So let me just check here. So the iron ore transit, it can go onto all three. Makes sense. The steel to machines shipment. This line can only go on platform 1. Alright, let's put it all on 3, right? On all of them. I think there's no real big downside right now to not allow things on all platforms. Yeah, that's at least the pattern we have for the other ones. Right, so because I was actually following this train here, this little beauty here, we're just going to pick up our first machines from the factory, deliver them to Noise. The people of Noise are already eagerly awaiting the machine's delivery. And yeah, look at how this backlog here is with all that ore that should come in here in a second. And yeah, coal is also coming. And also, you should say, quite a few machines already here waiting to get to Noise. So this is our long-awaited kind of thing that we want to do. Cool. So then the question is, what do we want to do next? I want to start the episode quickly with just checking a little bit on passenger transport because we haven't looked into that in a long time. And let's just see how things shake out. So we have here 9 people waiting on the express. It has a rate of 29. At least here it seems quite fine. Ooh, different speed limits. Okay, that was not my question. So let's see here in Vellberg. Vellberg is definitely very full. So here we're waiting with a lot of people on both expresses. We have a capacity of 60 here. Here in 88. Okay, why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? So he's running on kind of this junction here, which is not very efficient. So then in the continuation of the previous episode, I suppose we want to optimize these things. We found out that it is surprisingly cheap actually to build these bridges. Why we're saving so much money on not doing it. Like 150 is like nothing. That is totally affordable. So then let's see. Oh, this is long. Single tracked for a long time here. So we'll also come on. You know you want to. Yes. Okay, is it double tracked all the way through to the rest? No. Okay, and then here we also probably want to do some stuff. Okay, firstly, yeah, okay, they moved the train back a little bit, that's nice to see. So we'll put it here. That's one line. And then this is the second main line, and it wants to go basically in both directions also. Right. Well, here at the bridge, I wish it was a little bit further back. Is there like, will it be hating me if I remove that? Yeah, it will. What if I do it like this? If I just create like a track here and then remove that front part. Oh yeah. Okay, I saw the pattern. Nice. Okay, so we will try to get into here in a nice way. Did you hear me, game? Get into here, yeah. That should be good. That is good. And now we also want to get over here to that bridge. Okay, let's put that. I'm not sure where this train needs to go. Let's keep it both options. Yeah. Yeah, this option is a bit lower speed, and also I don't like how it's joining here. Yeah, 60 is not the best, let's say. Okay, that's good. Then signals there, signals here, and we can remove maybe this one. There's a lot of signals, I think. There are a little bit too many signals here, to be honest. I think we overdid it a little bit. Maybe it's actually, these ones are a little bit ill-positioned. So let's see, we can put like some bit more closely to this join here, and then maybe some a little bit here in the middle. Right, that looks like a better spacing to me. Okay, and then we also built this track new, so here is no signals on that, so we should take care of that. Okay, here's one signal somehow. That's good. The spacing is a little bit off, but that's okay. Okay. Yeah, this is quite fine. Then the double track goes not all the way back, it kind of splits off here. So the passenger station here is not in the luxurious position of having double tracked yet. So I suppose we will try to make that happen. Just to make things a tiny bit more efficient, probably. To be honest, I kind of want to remove this. It's kind of such a stupid construction. Okay, we'll figure out a new way. Okay. So this will be coming out here. Then this will connect up to there. That's half of what we need to do. And then this is the cargo connection. The cargo connection, of course, wants to also join in here, and we found this really nice pattern where we can make this here a double switch. That really is nice. So now we just put a few switches in there, and probably there's one switch here needed, I'm not sure, and some here. So that is great. That should reduce waiting time. So you just delivered some bread, probably. Nice. People are very happy, hopefully, about that. So passenger checking again. 36 here waiting. Lots of trains here. I don't like that it's like standing there like this. I wish it was standing here actually. I guess that's the point, what you shouldn't do. Right, you should not put something like this directly behind the station. Behind the switch, because it then... Oh yeah, okay, see, I'm learning. I'm slow at learning, but I am learning. Right. Right. Okay. That makes things a bit better, I guess. Probably there's still a few too many. So if I go here, that's fine. This one should not be there, for example. Right, and then here, likewise, we can go to this one, but this one I don't want. And then here, don't want this one, and I don't want this one. And here, here this one is fine, but this one I don't want, and this one I don't want. Yeah, so that they're not standing in the middle of the crossing, kind of. That's the idea. Well, there's probably a lot more places where I can optimize this, but let's say that's the start of things. So now also we deleted here the place where they maintain the trains. And we will build a new one, because I do like to have them, even though I don't think you really mechanically need them that much. And I might want to put it here, kind of out of the way, but still within realm. And I'm putting it here like that, because this is kind of a delivery station. You will never have this as the first station here, this one. So I think it's fine to put it like here. It will never need to go on the left, to the left here. I mean, just for completeness sake, maybe there's a possibility to put something here. Nah. That's okay though. That's okay. Alright. So, yeah. This is nicely boxed in. Like, I'm sure these people love stepping out the back side and getting their fresh bread from the station. Very cool. Okay, that looks significantly better. Still, we're doing passenger investigation. This is the passenger station. This passenger station is was pretty full a second ago, but now people have found their place here at the express. Going back to noise. The Woodley, there's still 3 people waiting here. The train here is getting full as well. Honestly, this looks fine. Like, both of these stations look pretty good utilization wise. Let's check here. They are waiting for the train to come back. It's also in the others. It's already like there, but I mean, it's still fine, pretty much, I guess. What I could get is probably new vehicle, 60 kilometers. DMG Cannstatt. Oh, new stuff is happening. I might actually be inclined to remove the speed a little bit down again. I increased a bit so that we get new stuff, but I think we haven't even gotten the trams yet because we're just too busy with other stuff. Right, so let's be a little bit there. What I wanted to check out quickly was overlay. Yeah, show me the stations. So I want to just check quickly here if there's any stations where a lot of people are waiting. I guess you can see with the icons here that there isn't. What about here? Well, here definitely. People want to get picked up here from the train station. Okay, that's probably the bottleneck. When the train arrives, you actually have this bottleneck maybe that a lot of people want to get quickly transported away from the station. Where was that again? That was here. It's actually even overflowing, I guess. Probably it also means that people are leaving, right? Some people leave because the station is too overcrowded. Okay. Well, we can't have that. So I guess we'll start our little project here, which is going to be trams. I want to test it out. So for trams, those are here. Urban. What is that? County. Okay, interesting. Waypoints, tools, buildings. How do you make trams? Is it part of the railways? Nah. Is it its own icon? I'm pretty sure we already have trams. So here's tram depot. So streets, do you need to put like something onto them? Waypoints, tools. Ah yeah, use the tram track tool. Player ownership tool. Ah, okay, you can also start to own roads, I guess, if I want to. I'm not sure what the advantage is. Okay. Alright, then let's test that out. So we want to run a tram. So let's quickly double check here where actually our... sorry, I'm always confused which one is the... I just had it open, the overlay icon, HUD icon, yeah. Why did I not find that? So we're kind of going along this main route. Makes sense still, I guess. So we'll upgrade this here to a tram one, like this, like that. Oh, they're already electric. It's a bit early maybe for having electric trams already in this time period. Not sure. Okay, that upgrades the streets very nicely. Okay, so we go down the main kind of boulevard here of the town. Do they need to go down here to the industrial area? I assumed that they don't, but I'm not sure. Should we go like right here through the backyards here, or should we go here through the nicer part of town a bit? It's hard to say how they want to go back. I think right here is a bit more walking distance. I think here they can just walk over to these stations. So I think we will sneak it around back here. That worked, right? Yeah. So if I then put like a few more stations in here, let me just double check how they are positioned. So there's only on one side here, the station, and here we have it on two sides because it's kind of like not a ring. It's not yeah, it doesn't go like a ring. I'm not sure like what would make more sense. It's actually also on the wrong side for that, I guess. Yeah, see, they take a weird turn. Not sure. Does it make sense to put two routes, make it like one time this round, one time that round? I'm not sure. Okay, we're gonna make a ring route, some sort of tool distribution. Passenger stop cannot be used. Okay, because I joined them together, that was problem. Passenger stop. Goethestraße. Where do you want to go? You also want to go to Goethestraße. I see. Probably I deleted the wrong side one. Yeah, for sure I did. So let me just fix that. Truck unloading. Like this. Is it called Goethestraße? I'm not sure. Passenger one we delete here. Honestly, I'm making a mess of things. So passenger stop we'll put here. And then I didn't place, I guess, the truck unloading. Okay, I replaced now the passenger one, I guess, again. Dude, what did I do? What did I do? Okay, let me figure this out. So we're gonna remove the passenger stop here, and we're gonna place the passenger stop quite a bit back here, so that they're not interfering. It does interfere, right? It removed the frickin' station here. Huh. That's annoying. Okay. Well, I guess then let's put it here. This is gonna be the unloading stop here. So then I just need to figure this out. So the tool distribution, manage the line. Instead of going to whatever Goethestraße, please go here, which is also Goethestraße, but okay. And then the fuel distribution one, instead of doing that, you go also here. Okay, now everybody is happy. Good. So then we have here this Vellberg route, and we're going to manage that a bit differently. So this is going to be also a tram line in a second. So we'll firstly start up there in the train station. We'll go here, we'll go there, then there, and there, and then back. That's right. Is that the right street side? We're going right side traffic, right? Right. Perfect. Okay, this looks a bit cumbersome. Can I put you onto line 2 maybe? Does that help? Not really, because they have to go out. I guess what would help is if we reverse the order. Can I do that? Like drag and drop somehow? Can I move it? I'm not sure how to move it. Well, okay, then let it be so. Okay, so it looks fine. So then we need a tram depot. So where's our street depot? I'm not sure. I think we put it here on the outskirts. Kind of don't want it to have here in the city center, to be honest. So maybe we'll do that still. Just put a tram track there. I mean, it's okay. Maybe we'll also use trams for transporting goods. Why not? Okay. So, tram connection established. Very nice, very nice. So now we can buy trams. So we have horse-drawn streetcar. That's what I thought. No electric ones. Then here's a steam one. And this one is the first electric one from the AEG, Allgemeine Elektrizitätsgesellschaft, der Stadtbahn Halle. 2-axle electric car. Oh, what a nice one. But steam is also nice. Not sure what is better. I mean, the electric one has less emissions. Well, we'll go for it. We'll try it. Alright. So, you get onto the Vellberg line, please. And on the Vellberg line, Vellberg route. These road vehicles with very bad condition, we're gonna sell them off. So that's gonna be it. And here they are. Oh my god, look at this. This is cool. Oh, the driver here in front. This is cute. This is a nice city. Paper shop, fancy goods. Oh my. What stuff they have here. I mean, this is just the maintenance area here. Like, we're on the maintenance route. We're only going here when we go to the depot. No passengers here. I think we're gonna make our way... Oh, we're going to Goethestraße. Interesting. But afterwards we go the other direction, so I wonder what it's doing. Oh, this guy's glitching out and disappeared. Okay. Alright. First passengers can get in. Nice, nice. Oh, it's a nice place to sit in there. It's very cool. Very cozy. Okay, we're gonna here to the junction. I mean, it's a bit hard to turn around here, right? I guess. Okay. Nice. I mean, of course, these lines, I mean, there will always be people who complain about progress, you know, like these electricity lines and all that, but hey, the price is that you have great transportation here in this little city now. We're living in the future. Careful, dude. Yeah, let's give them a little bit of space to space out. But I'm a fan. I'm a big fan. This is really cool. I like it. I like it quite a lot, actually. So I also see that we have a lot of fuel lying around here that we're not transporting efficiently. So we could think about whether we want to do that by tram as well. It seems like maybe it's possible. It's not. We only have passenger trams actually. I see. Alright, that's a bummer. But what about, not sure where the road depot is here, to be honest. I wanted to say maybe it's an option. Here's the road depot. Maybe it's an option to get better transportation ones here on these lines. So we have here one line, the fuel line. It has these European horse-drawn carriages, and then here the same. And they have like 4 capacity. That's not a lot. So maybe we can upgrade them. What else is there? Oh, DMG Kampstadt, a Daimler Motor Company, a German engine, later automobile motor manufacturer. Okay, capacity only 5. It's not much better, but I mean, one more is definitely still good. Yeah, so these are, again, remind me what they're called. European horse-drawn carriage. This is this one, and there's better ones here for sure. And this one is also a little bit better because it's faster. It has, yeah, let's embrace the future. So can I just go on the line and replace all of them? I think so. So let's say this is actually also the cargo terminal, and this here is harbor pickup. Harbor. Okay, so on that tool distribution line, manage the vehicles, replace them with cars. Nice. And then here, the tool distribution, replace them with, okay, they're already the ones. I made something mistake. So tool distribution and then fuel distribution, manage the vehicles, replace them by cars. That also gives it a little bit more capacity because they can transport one more. So let's take a look at this. All right. Why not? A little cutie here. We're going into the city to deliver a little bit of tools that came in from the harbor. Going at a respectable 25 kilometers per hour. It's nice. Okay. Yeah, I think I can live with this. This is definitely nice. Tram would have been more fun, but this is fine. This is quite fine. I like it. So then we had the issue that there was not enough space for waiting here. We could have maybe also, here's our headquarters. Yeah, we could try to build a passenger building. Maybe we would have to destroy a few houses here, or on this side, alternatively. But I guess it's kind of an investment. In theory, it's a good idea. Yeah, we'll put there 2 houses. I want to have like a passenger building here, that people feel like there's space here for them, especially when they come from the train station and want to get the tram into the city. Yeah, I like it. It's very good. Be careful there, guys. Careful. All right. Good. I like it. They're also stopping and stuff. It's very nice. Okay, some people get run over, but that's the price of progress, I guess. Okay, good. So then here we have a little bit of an issue. Maybe we're producing quite a lot of stuff here. Yeah, transport. We have 2 trains on the line here. Capacity 48. So we have enough for almost 2 trains here lying on the platform. I think the capacity here is not enough. So we could take a look at that and maybe upgrade them. Not replace, but upgrade and put in 10 millions. Nice. Okay, now the game is steamrolling a bit. So, oh, we have here compartment cars. Ooh. 60 kilometers per hour. Futuristic C is a pioneer of aerodynamic locomotives. So what are we running right now? It's probably these ones, the Borsing, which is a nice train, But for the bread, it would be kind of like this. Quite a price here, 1.6 for the train. That's crazy. But it needs to be done, and I guess this would also mean that we could probably actually add a bit more wagons to it. So we have boxcars, and I guess those are still the best. So we put 2 more boxcars each. Look at this big boy here. And then all of these wagons here. Oh, you can even see the difference. You can see, like, these are the 2 new wagons and these are the old ones. You can even tell the difference between them. And here's the other one. Nice, very cool. Okay, I heard you can do 60, my friend. Oh, that's not a good place to stop here, my friend. Can I convince you that this should not be there, this signal? So this one is fine, I guess, because this is long enough. But I will remove this signal. Then here I also don't like this one, and this one I also don't like. So here we don't want to have this one. Did I not delete any track? No. Here I don't want to have this one. Okay, that kind of reset the train. I hope it's fine. No, it's not fine somehow. We'll figure it out in a second. Just give me a second. So here we can put one here and one there. And here we can put a signal there and a signal here. This one is fine. You can put one there and the other one here. Just to make these joints a tiny bit more efficient by not allowing them to stand in the middle of one section. Yeah. So here we can do that, and then here when it comes to going in, they should not have this one and this one. Okay, that makes sense to me. Here it's optimized, very nice. Okay, so then they also need to go all the way up here. Okay, right, Whitley line 58 capacity. I think we probably still need another train on that. It feels like to me we need another train on that line. Okay, then let's do it. Okay, unfortunately, in this episode we didn't get to do all that stuff that I wanted to do, but at least we did a few optimizations, so I'm not unhappy, but we'll see. Thanks for joining me this time, and hope to see you next time when we may be upgrading some other stuff. Look at these historic locomotives here. Nice. See you next time. Bye bye.